Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face with a sticker that tracks you in CapCut. So if you want to hide your face or add a fun twist to your video, learn how to add a sticker that follows your face using CapCut, and it's super easy and looks amazing. So first, you just need to add your videos into CapCut like this. And then you can choose the sticker that you want to cover up your face. You can click on the stickers tab at the top and just find the stickers that you like in here. So let's say I want to use the stickers in here. So you need to download it first if you haven't used it, and then just drag it to the timeline. Adjust the duration so it matches with the video. And then you can just adjust the size in here and place it on top of your face at the beginning like this. And now you can click on the tracking tab at the top, and here click on the motion tracking and choose the object to track. So in this case, I'm going to adjust it to the face, and here you can also adjust the size like this. And now you can just click on start. You can also adjust the directions and the scale, also the distance. Click on start and just wait until the tracking for process is finished. So now the tracking is completed, and here you can just preview the result by playing the video. As you guys can see, now the sticker will follow the movement just like this. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.